Hi, my Kayla crew, welcome back. So today I've got a huge trunk to share with you. Look how big this thing is. It's pretty heavy too. So before I share my trunk with you guys, I have a little bone to pick with trunk. Yeah, so last month I had a pretty good trunk. I was very happy with the styling team. Yeah, I was. This one seems pretty good too, but last month I returned my box on time, yep, but I got charged for something I didn't keep. I couldn't believe it. So yeah, I don't know. You get a receipt when you drop your trunk off at the UPS store, but you know what? I think they changed carriers this time too. I think it's FedEx. And I don't really like that. I like that they used to use UPS. But anyway, yeah. So I got charged for something I didn't keep, and it took them a while. I mean, they did end up giving me my money back, but like there's no way to prove it. They just had to take my word. I know I put that item back in the trunk and they took my word for it, but I was like, really? Why? No. So just beware if you receive trunks. Make sure that you don't get charged for items that you don't keep. Watch your bank statements, ladies. Yep. All right, so let's get started and see what we have in today's trunk. Okay, so this first top is by Bobeau. It's the brushed V-neck top, extra large, $54. They're calling this red. I don't know. Fabric is 75% polyester, 21%, I'm sorry. I'm thrown off by the color. 75% rayon, 21% polyester, and 4% spandex. So, you know, I like it, but I don't love it. This is the second time this week that I've tried on an animal print top that I'm sending back. Yeah, I'm turning a new leaf. I don't know. Don't worry, I still love my animal prints. This one, I just don't know. I mean, it's okay. Maybe it's the bottoms I have on. These they sent me. I kind of put it on because I was thinking of throwing the jacket they sent me, which is up there. I should have grabbed it with this outfit, but it's just, all right, let's talk about it. It has a V-neck, long sleeve. Sleeve length is great. You know, I don't want to call this red though. What do we want to call it? I mean, I guess it is more of like a muted red. I don't know. When I looked at this, I thought this was like a dusty rose, but I guess you guys let me know. I don't want to call it red. I don't. I do like the length of this top. It is like a curved hemline. So, I mean, it's cute. There's something about it that I'm like, it is kind of clingy too. It's one of those fabrics that's going to be clingy. I don't know. Nope. So for $54, it's going to go back. Let me show you the back of it though. Yeah. All right, let me turn the camera down and we'll talk about the pants. Okay, so the pants are not a good look, and the pants are way too long anyway, but the pants are by Wit and Wisdom. They are the Absolution Itty Bitty Bootcut jeans. Size 16, $48.80. That's the sale price. Yeah, I'm not a fan of these. You know, I wanted to try them because they were on sale, but you know, look at it, just like it makes my, I don't know, they're not flattering at all. So they are too long. Whoops. I would call them a high rise. They do have pockets in the front and in the back, but they're just not flattering. Nope. And you know, I wear white pants in the fall and in the winter. I don't care. So, you know, if these fit right and they looked nice, then I would keep them. I think the fit is off. I mean, maybe not. Maybe I'm just thrown off with the length. And they look like they're bunched, but it's because of I pulled them up like this so we wouldn't be dragging on the ground, you know? But yeah, these are gonna go back. Yeah, no. I just see like a big box. Nope. All right, let me change. I'll be right back. Okay, so next top is by Treasure and Bond. It is the tie-dye long sleeve shirt in white, extra large, $39, and it's 100% cotton. So I will have to be careful about shrinking this if I keep it. You know, I thought it was really cute when I saw it on the preview. It says tie-dye, but I almost want to call it like an ombre effect too, you know? So it's really pretty. The bottom color is tan, but it's got some pink in it. You'll see closer when I show you the jeans I have on too. So what do you think? It does have a rounded neckline. I kind of think it's like fall and funny, but is it just me? I like that the sleeves have the same, actually, you know what? I could show you better on the sleeves, the color. See how it's almost got, let me find, it's not in all areas of the top. It's just certain areas where there's a little bit of pink, and of course the sleeves don't have it. The sleeves just have the tan. But I think it's I like that the sleeves have the ombre effect too, or the tie-dye effect. What do you think about it? I want to like it, but I just don't know. What do you think? It's just a straight cut all the way around. I do like that it's a little bit longer too. What do you think? Carolyn, you know what? This top might look cute with those leggings that you got. Those, the tan leggings, I don't know. I was just thinking that. All right, let me show you the back. I mean, it's cute. 39 bucks. I don't know. All right, I have jeans on. Oh boy, I love these jeans. I know, I have a denim problem. I really do. I can't stop buying denim, but I always get such good denim in my boxes. Let me tell you what these are. So these are by Wit and Wisdom. They're the Absolution Luxe Touch High Waist Ankle Skinny Jeans, $78, size 16. Oh boy, oh, I gotta turn the camera down. Darn, I forgot, hang on. Okay, so here are the jeans. Aren't they a nice wash? I really like the wash. Oh, I do. And I don't know if I have any in, well, I probably do. I've got to check. But I like the length. The length is perfect. Look, and it's very rare that I find a good fitting jean that is the perfect length too, because of my height. They are a high rise jean. Let's see, they have pockets in the front, pockets in the back. Boy, oh, I told you I was going to show you the tie-dye. Closer up too. So there's, but see how it's kind of like, I don't know what it's doing over here. You know, I think it kind of looks a little bit messy. So I think I'm going to send it back, but I want to show you the tie-dye closer. But anyway, I do really like the jeans. What do you think about them? I may keep them. Yeah, I think I need them. I know skinny jeans are going out, I heard, but I don't care. I love my skinny jeans, and I will add more to my wardrobe too. I really don't care. I don't. So what do you think about them? I like them. $78. Maybe I'll see if I could find some at the rack or online somewhere, but all right, I'll be right back. We'll show you the next outfit. Okay, so I wanted them to send the jacket because it was on sale, so I thought I would give it a try, but even the sale price is a bit much. $139.90. I guess not if it's a nice, good quality jacket that will last you through the years. So this one is by Kenneth Cole, New York. It's an extra large wool blend boucle coat in the color blush, and I already told you the price. I just feel like this jacket overwhelms me. I just feel like it just, I don't know. The jacket is the focus and not me. You know what I mean? So let's talk about it. I do like the length of it. It is a lined jacket, which is nice. And it does have, so I'm going to show you. On the inside, it does have these plastic buttons, so you could really like button it, and it has the snap. So you can also snap it for that extra security. And then it has the collared neckline, which I think this is what's really kind of, it's swallowing me, isn't it? That's what I feel like. Like I feel like you just see my head like sticking out from, I don't know. It's just not a good look. What do you think? And then you can even button it like, yeah, no, that would be totally too constricting for me. I do like the color of this jacket a lot. I think the color is very pretty. I just don't think the style is very flattering. Nope. And I don't think Lexi does either. Do you, Lex? Huh? So yeah, I think I'm gonna, I know I'm gonna send this jacket back. Yep. Oh, I didn't show you the back of it, so let me do that. Hang on, Lex. Yeah, nope, this is gonna go back. All right, I'll be right back with the next piece. Okay, so I don't care for this top, but I'm gonna show you. It's just a basic white top. You know, I think that I declined a couple of pieces, and you know what else? I have another bone to pick with them. They replaced the two items I declined with like this top, which is pretty basic to me, and a bra. I didn't ask for a bra. I know you can add those on. I didn't ask for one. I don't want one. No, but yeah, they sent me a bra. The bra was on sale. I haven't tried it on yet. I will, but yeah, no. But anyway, basic top. It's the Madewell Whisper Cotton Rib Crewneck Long Sleeve T-shirt, $29.50, extra large, 100% cotton. So I am gonna send this top back, just because I can get my basics. Oh, I'm still talking about it and I'm moving on. I can get my basics at, you know, Nordstrom Rack, or I'm learning. I can get my basics cheaper. I do like the length, and I like that it has a rounded hemline. Let me show you the back of it. But yeah, it's gonna go back 30 bucks. Nah, that's all right. Let me talk about the wrap they sent me. I wouldn't wear it over this, but just, you know, to show you. This is by, oh, I just had it. It's the Treasure and Bond Oversize Print Ruana in Navy, $49. Now, I like kimonos, I like Ruanas, I like wraps. Let me show you it first up close. The print. So the print is very cute. It's a floral print, almost a navy with like a light blue floral. So it's cute. Let's see what it looks like. It would probably look better with black. Oops, I'm struggling. Here we go. It's one of those one size pieces. Yeah, totally doesn't look good with the white, huh? My mistake, but I don't know. I just don't care for the shape of this one either. Maybe I have to try it on with a different color. What do you think about it? I do like longer ones too, because I like flowy sometimes, you know? But I just don't know if I care for this one. Wow, I am being picky today, huh? It doesn't scream keep me. No, it doesn't. Nope. I mean, I'll try it on with a different color underneath, but yeah, it doesn't scream keep me. What do you think? I don't know. It does on the sleeve area have, let's see, does it have any detail? I thought I saw a little bit of like, no, I guess not. Let's see, what is the material of this? Just so you guys know. 50 bucks for a Ruana too. I don't know. Feels nice. It's 100% viscose. I do like the way it feels, but yeah, no. All right, this picky girl is going to change and I will be right back. Okay, so I have a feeling the accessories may be the winners in this box. Yep. So I have a tote. This is by BP. It's the Faux Leather Classic Tote in brown, $49. Now I have a BP tote. What's going on here? Oh, it's just, there we go. I have a BP tote. It's black with a cognac color inside, so it's reversible, and I use the heck out of it. I got it last year, probably around this time, from a trunk, and I love that tote. I use it every single day as my work tote. You know, I don't use it as my everyday purse, but I bring it back and forth to work, my laptop, files, anything that I need to bring home, like work related. So I think it's pretty, and this one reminds me of it, and maybe it's time for a new one because I use it all the time. I like the size and the shape of this tote. Has the handles there, and you know what I like about this one that my tote doesn't have? It zips. Yep, see that? Oh, it zips. And you know what? This bag doesn't have any organization. Mine doesn't either, but that's okay because like I said, I don't use it as a purse. I use it as just my work tote. So it serves, you know, the function I need it to. So anyway, I do like that this one zips at the top. Whoops. And the zipper's tangled for more security. I do like that. And then mine came with this too, but this one also has, this one's a little bit bigger. It has a little bag that you could throw inside. So let's say like I didn't bring my purse and I just brought this to work. I'm running out to lunch maybe. I could just throw, has a pouch here, which I like. Mine doesn't have that, a little, not pouch, side pocket. Throw a credit card, your license in here, your keys, run and get lunch or run and do some errands. Yeah, you don't have to bring the whole tote. So I do like that it has this too. I do, and this one zips. So this zipper is the same color as the bag. And the zipper on the bigger tote is a gold, which I do like. And then did I tell you the color inside is blush? I like that. Like I said, no organization, but I use it for work. So what do you think? I like the fall, not like that. I do like the fall color too. So I may end up keeping this, and I can throw it over my shoulders. Mine might have larger shoulder straps. I'm not sure. I'll be finding out in a couple of minutes when I go leave for work, or I should say in a little while when I leave for work. You know, it doesn't have feet, but I think mine does. Somebody told me, and I can't remember who it was, and I'm so sorry, but somebody told me you could purchase the feet to put on the bottom of your bags on Amazon. So I may look. I think I might keep this bag. Let me know what you think. Isn't the color gorgeous? Let me bring it close so you can see the color. I think the color's so pretty. All right, I'll be right back. I've got some shoes to show you. I'm gonna show you up close and then I'll try them on if we think I'm gonna like them. If not, I don't wanna ruin them for the next person, so hang on. Okay, so I took a big chance when I had them send it to me. I almost hit decline. I probably should have, looking back. Yeah, these are not a Kayla shoe. Let me tell you what they are. These are by Tom's. They're the Melrose Wedge Bootie, size 8, and the color natural, $149.95. Tom's are pricey, but they can be worth it. I do like the style. Look at the laces. Can you see the color? They're like a burgundy and white. I think it's cute, and you could probably switch the laces up too. So here's the front and the top of the booty. I'm not gonna try these on, I'm sorry. I just don't wanna ruin them for the next person because I know I'm not gonna keep these. And the sole is a little bit lighter of a color. So, you know, they're just not me. They're probably cute. They'd probably be so cute on somebody that can pull the style off, but I can't. You know, I wouldn't pull for them either. Here's the bottom, the sole. I don't know. They're probably comfortable, but they just don't scream Kayla. And 150 bucks. No, I don't know. Here's the back. Can you tell I'm sad? Because, you know, online, the pictures don't do the items justice. And these looked kind of promising. These kind of looked fun. So I thought I would try them because, you know, it's a solid heel. But I don't know. Nope. So these are going to go back. All right, I will be right back. We're going to do a quick recap. This should be very easy. Okay, so this recap should be pretty easy. So it was very easy for me to say no to a lot of the items in this box. Kind of just missed the mark. My last trunk was so great that I was so hopeful for the stylist team or the styling team. But this one, yeah, nope. But I am going to keep, I think, this bag. I think the bag will be great for work. And I think it's time for my other one to be replaced, at least for a little while. It's still actually in really good shape, so I probably won't get rid of it. I'll probably just switch it out for now. And then maybe in the winter, I'll switch back to the black one. But yeah, for now, I think I'm gonna switch to this pretty fall color. And you know what, you guys? I didn't want to take these jeans off. These are, I think they're the Madewell jeans. Were they Madewell? Let me just check. No, these are Wit and Wisdom. So these are $78. You know, I'm gonna look around to see if I can find them somewhere else. They feel so nice. I don't wanna take them off. I wish it was Casual Friday at work because I'd keep them and I'd wear them, or I'd keep them on and wear them to work. Today's Thursday. You're probably gonna see this on Friday, but yeah, I can't wear jeans to work on Thursday. So these are gonna have to come off, but I don't want them to come off. They're so comfortable. So I'm gonna keep these, I think, and the bag, unless I can find the jeans somewhere else cheaper. These are my two keepers. So I guess we can call it not a bad trunk since I'm keeping 2 items, but the other items just missed the mark. So anyway, thanks so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it, and I will see you all in my next video.